How to turn inspiration into your own project. Once you've found images and finished projects that you like, here's how to turn ideas into reality. First, go through the images and circle the part of the room that you like the most. Then find similarities in these pictures and sort them into a group. Bathroom floors, colours, and so on. This will help you work out what you like about the images and which design elements you want to bring into your project. Look at the images in detail to work out what size tile is being used in the projects. Another tip is to look at how the light is hitting the tile. This will help you work out if it's a gloss or a matte tile. If you decide you want a feature wall in the bathroom, identify the wall that will give the most impact. This could be the wall you see when you first walk in, or the wall behind the vanity for that real wow factor. The TileCloud team is here to help. Contact us via Facebook, Instagram, phone, or email. Get creative. I know you're really going to enjoy this part of the project, and happy tiling!